Hello student, this is class 10th. In this case, chapter 3rd, very important question for board examination. The first question is write equation for the reaction of. First reaction is reaction of iron with steam. Write equation for the reaction of. The first reaction is Fe when react with steam. This is very important reaction for board examination. In this case, Fe react with steam to form Fe3O4. It's called iron oxide and H2. This reaction is explained as suppose in this case Fe react with steam. Fe means it's called iron. It's called iron and it's react with steam. Steam means H2O. Steam. Note that ice, water and steam. These are three forms of liquid, of water. In this case, the formula of ice is H2O. The formula of water is also H2O. Steams is also H2O. So, in this case, H2O is the formula of steam. Steam, it is the gaseous form of H2O. Ice is the solid form of water. Water is the liquid form. Steam is gas form. In this case, H2O react with Fe to form iron oxide 4 and this is 3H2. Sorry, this is 3, it's 4. So Fe3O4, it's called iron oxide. Iron oxide which is aqueous in nature, and in this case 4H2 is formed. In this case H2 is the hydrogen gas. It's called hydrogen gas. Second is reaction of calcium and potassium with water. In this case, calcium solid and H2O liquid to form calcium hydroxide and H2 gas. In this reaction, calcium and H2O which is in liquid form and calcium which is in solid form to form calcium hydroxide. In this case, one atom of calcium is used and 2 atoms of hydrogen, but in this case one atom of oxygen is used as reactant, but in the product 2 atoms of oxygen is formed as a product. So this reaction is multiplied by 2. So calcium hydroxide is formed and H2 is formed as a hydrogen gas. In this case, calcium hydroxide is a aqueous solution. It is a aqueous solution and H2 is a gas. The second question is write the electron dot structures for sodium, oxygen and magnesium. This question is explained as write dot structures. Electron dot structure. First is sodium. In sodium Na, its atomic number is 11281. In sodium, one electron is available in outermost cell, I mean valence cell. So sodium is represented in electron dot structure as, in this case, X is the electron of outermost cell. The second is oxygen. Oxygen 2,6, oxygen 8, its atomic number is 8. So 6 electron is available in outermost cell. So 6 electron is represented as the next is magnesium. The next is magnesium Mg12. Its atomic number is 12. 282. Then its electron dot structure is represented as this is the answer of this question. As the second is show the formation of N2O and MgO by the shifting of electrons. I mean shifting of electron. This is represented as sodium oxide and magnesium oxide. The next is what are the ions present in these compounds? The ions which are present in sodium oxide, sodium ion and oxygen ion. In magnesium oxide, magnesium ion and oxygen ions. Next question is show the formation of N2O and magnesium oxide. The solution of this question, second question, is N2, very important for board examination. In this case, one electron is available in outermost cell. In this case, 2 atoms of sodium is used, so 1 atom is S. In this case, oxygen, 6 electron is involved in outermost cell of oxygen. This is 6 electron. In this case, shift of 1 electrons and shift of second electron by second sodium atom. So this structure is Na. Then 1 plus charge because loss of 1 electron from H sodium atom. And oxygen, in this case 6 electron of oxygen is represented by XX and 1 electron of sodium is represented by dot S. In this case 8 electron is involved. In this case 2 electron is gained by oxygen, so 2 negative charge is available in oxygen atom. In this case, octet is completed. 8 electron in outermost cell is completed. In this case, loss of 1 electron, 1 sodium and 2 6. In this case, 2 8 electron of sodium and in oxygen 2 8. The next is magnesium oxide, next compound. This compound is also very important for board examination. Magnesium has 2 electron in outermost cell, which is represented by dot, and oxygen 6 electron has 6 electron in outermost cell. These 2 electron shifts into oxygen atom, and this structure is formed magnesium 2 plus. Loss of 2 electrons takes place, and in oxygen 6 electron of oxygen is represented by dot X, and 2 electron of magnesium is represented by dot. So 2 negative charge is involved in oxygen. This is the structure of magnesium oxide. This is the structure of magnesium oxide as. Note these questions in your copy. These are the S. And the next is, what are the ions in these compound? The ions. In this case, the question third. The next question is, what are the ions present in these compound? The answer of this question is the ions in sodium oxide. In sodium oxide, sodium ion and oxygen 2 negative ions is present. In magnesium oxide, MgO. In this case, Mg has 2. This ion is present, magnesium 2 plus and oxygen 2 negative ions are present. So the answer of this question is yes. Note this answer.